Hey guys, today we'll try to use the CLR solution to see if we can get rid of these yucky stains in the toilet bowl. As you can see, this is pretty disgusting, and the stains are pretty deep enough. So first thing I did, I turned up the water. I had to watch a couple of videos, and people recommend that if I let all the water drain, turn off the water supply, and then use the CLR shadow to up here for advising that. So I just went and got CLR. Also, when I try to use this solution, it's gonna go inside the tank for the blue water effect, and it's gonna hopefully keep the bowl clean. So let's give another. Trying to get rid of that water. Okay, I think that's the. Alright, let's use CLR and see what happens if I try to use it as watching different YouTube videos. Hold on, I'm having a hard time opening this seal. I'm just gonna break it. Okay, there it is. Alright, so I'm gonna pour that. People said I think you use either half or full bottle. I'm gonna give it 2 shots. So first I'll use the half. And see, just so everyone know, we have tried multiple products, multiple different solutions, and we were about to change our toilet completely until up here suggested CLR will work and do the job. So the trick is to let it sit for about a minute, and then clean it, or try to clean it with a brush, the regular brush. I opened up this new one. Old one is pretty yucky, so I'm gonna toss that away, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll see. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds or so, and we're gonna try to see if this. Oh, thank you so much. See, as you can see, this calcium, it's the buildup that's kind of going away. Here's a chuha lady. Okay. So it looks like it did the trick, though. There are still some spots where you can still see the stains. I'm gonna try to go as deep as possible and see if I could get rid of everything. Trying to get crap off the side. Okay, from what it looks like, I don't see any stains, and CLR seems to work just fine. So I would. Hang on one second. Try to get this. So I guess that proves the hypothesis that CLR is the way to go if you're having trouble with your toilet and the stains in the bowl. All right. Okay guys, this is the final part of the video. So I'll start off with the wall. As you can see, the wall is all cleaned up, and again it's with CLR. The power of CLR is pretty crazy. I even cleaned the molding, Lota. Those of you who knows what that is and does. All right, enough show and tell. Let's see. Ta-da! There's no special effect used in this video, so you can see it's pretty darn clean though. I mean, I still see like one or two spot here where the water flows through. I didn't want to put my hands inside, but I still have a half bottle left, so maybe next time I'll try to like scrub that off. But let's give it a shot. And I installed that the blue water self-cleaning system as well, so let's see what happens. All right, nope, this is the same toilet. I did not go and purchase and install a new toilet. This is the same one. I like it. Even clean some of the sink with that. Everything is sparkling. All right, hope this helps for people who think that CLR does not work. Next time I make this video, I'm gonna get the name right. And again, shout out to Apia for suggesting CLR. All right, thanks, bye.